Hey, keep cooking that dope, man. Baby, why you playing games? Baby, why you fucking with a link? Cause that nigga not gon' change, so that we are not the same. But you are with me, switching lanes, but I won't drive you insane. Baby girl, be my main thing. I'm just tryna change things. Baby, stop playing games. Stop playing games. I see your stories on IG, I know you got a man. I also see you always posting when he make you mad. He be playing with them pennies, got you looking bad. Use a diamond, you and him, that shit.
What's going on? You already know it's your boy Little T. Back in full effect. You already know how hey man, check it out. So we got people versus nature fails, craziest weather caught on camera. Richie, what you wrong with, man?
This is Fox 5 and I'd like to report a light, sunny day today with light showers, maybe.
Get your dumb ass in the house, you see? You fucking with that lightning. Oh shit, look how much water is pulling in. Oh shit, my fault, I clicked mute. But yo, if you don't know about fucking oceans and shit, bro, when the water start pulling in like that, bro, that means it's a big ass wave ready coming. Look how much water is sucking in. Woo! Don't say, oh, she's gone. Damn.
Oh my god!
Damn.
Oh my god!
Is that hell? Damn. They cracked this windshield. Damn. Get in the back, dummy. Get in the back seat. Yeah, get in the back seat, yo.
Oh, you're not looking back? Oh, you might say bye-bye.
Don't say old cousin Baba. That shit look lit though. Oh, damn, he's sucking his ass in. One more time, his ass ready to be one more time in that fucking ocean. Damn. Bro, get out, bro. That little ass cup ain't doing nothing. Just open your car door. You thought you were gonna do it in one time. Damn, they big ass balls of hell. Damn.
Just busted my window.
Back your ass up.
Holy crap.
Holy crap. Back up.
Oh my god.
Damn.
Oh my god! Did you see that?
You ain't gonna help him? Help my mans.
Did you see that?
Yeah, we seen that. Help my mans. Damn, that shit like apocalypse.
Heavenly Father, please help us.
Baby girl started praying. I ain't gonna lie. I would have started praying too. I ain't even Christian. She said, Heavenly Father, please help us.
Please help us to be safe.
Little dumbass gonna fall right in that water trying to be smart. Dude, goofy. That's exactly what you get. Oh, everybody's skating. I'm sorry. But why was he skating in his drawers, though? That's just bad timing. Baby girl gone. Baby girl gone.
Oh, she still got the camera.
Baby girl, here comes the next one. Watch this next one. It's gonna be a little bit bigger. It's gonna be a little bit bigger, a little bit stronger.
Oh my god.
The hail is like baseballs here. It is ruining our house.
Damn.
We've got holes in the roof.
It's coming through the ceiling.
They are the size of
Damn.
holy
She ain't lying. They is like the size of baseball. I ain't gonna lie, that's just... I would have been scared That bitch was loud as shit. Yeah, come back. We gotta go home. Fuck that. What the fuck? Nigga said the voice. I don't know what you was saying. Holy bloody mother. Whoa, 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 whoa. We're gonna push that shit up there. Damn, get back in the elevator. I was a little too close. Time for me to get back in the house. I was way too close. Damn. Baby girl, why you gonna go grocery shopping in this type of weather, bro? The fucking look at the stop sign. Why y'all outside, bro? And if you're outside, bro, I'm sitting in my car. I'm waiting for that shit to end. I'm not doing shit, yo. You see how crazy that shit look? The motherfucking car rack shaking and you trying to put the cart back. Fuck that cart. Trying to be a good citizen and shit. Like somebody gonna come get this bitch. Fuck that cart. Oh, just walking like it's a sunny ass day. Your little dumbass gonna blow the fuck away. Damn, look at that snow slide. Watch out, baby. Watch out, baby. Go, 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 go. She good. She good. She good. She good. Damn.
That's gone.
That's gone. He ain't lying. That bitch is gone. My steps gone. Damn. That's why I'm not trying to live next to no ocean like that, bro. I don't see how people do that. That bitch sound like a gun. Lightning struck that tree. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Damn. That was the whole wall. What is that? Hail? Snow? Ice? That's ice. Coming out the ocean. Stay somewhere cold then. For all that ice coming up. God damn, that's hella ice. Y'all right here, a hurricane full of ice.
And right down here is the penis of snow my wife found.
Not the penis of snow.
Where's that again, honey?
And why your wife find that? I should know what that was at. What she be doing them at that time? Big ass chunk. You see him on the ground. Damn, 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 damn. That's a nice view. That ain't no nice view. I know that shit hurt when they hit them, bro, cause they be falling on rocks and shit too, yo. I know that shit hurt. My man trying to drink his juice, boy. You might as well take that in the crib. You ain't gonna get a sip of that water. Oh, he doing it on purpose. No dumb as shit. That's crazy. You can't get a sip. You'll probably get little sprinkles. How they standing so still? Damn! Yo, look at all them houses. That's somebody's whole land. That's hella land, bro. That's like at least 5 to 6 people's houses I see right now. 8, I don't even see some in the water on the other side too. Damn, bro. That shit, wow. Cause I see some right here. That's why I said, damn, it's a couple of them in there. That shit just gone, bro. In the water. Ocean just swallowed that bitch up. I think she move, baby. I think she move, baby. I think she move, baby. I think y'all should move.
Oh my god.
That trampoline gone.
Oh my god, mommy!
Yeah, y'all trampoline gone. Fuck all that.
Get Mike, look at your line.
The tree cord be good. That bitch gonna blow up. Like on GTA. Damn. That bitch gonna blow up. Damn, I want to see it blow up. Earthquake. Grab this. My man grabbed this baby and got loose. He already knew what time it was. I like it. Pops of the year right there. Watch my man's. 3, 2, 1. Sorry, it's slow. I got too many apps open at the same time. Damn, it's real, so I'm probably cussing this out. Damn, what the fuck? Yeah, let's cut this out. Bruh. Like, damn. Alright, we back right now. Damn, I'm supposed to take it forever. My man folded it or grab his baby. Time to go. See how bad this earthquake won't be, though. Smart man, get out the house. Smart man, get your family out the house. I mean, what if he was in the shower? Damn! Bust your ass, she good? Damn, he bust his ass too! How the whole family bust that car get out? They all bust that ass get out the car, bro? Hell no. Hold on, let me back it up just a little bit. I want to see her fall again. Not the whole family bust that ass. Slip, bah! Honey, you okay? I'm coming. Slip, bah! At least he got up. She cracked her melon though. That's a sandstorm. Y'all laughing and shit. I better hurry up. That bitch gonna be dusty as shit. Yeah, put some of them kids' mouths, yeah. Y'all going too slow. Y'all gotta move. You ain't like that bitch killed who it is. Who it hit. Damn. Yeah, that car gone. That car gone. I'm on in this water. Help my man's out. Let me shut this motherfucker. You see this wind? You just watch my man struggle. Shut. These niggas in a tent. Or... oh, you're in the garage. Y'all good. That bitch ain't gonna flood. You know I was gonna take the flood the whole garage.
That is incredible. As I've seen on YouTube when they've been hit by lightning before, I've seen the trees do it on videos, but I've never seen one for real.
Yeah, that's kind of tough, okay. Nigga, that shit too deep. That shit too deep. That shit too deep.
Are you okay?
Help Marie out! She playing. Fish hit him in the nuts. Damn.
This is stupid. Oh, this is so f***ing stupid.
So why you gonna do it?
I flooded the engine.
Damn.
We gotta let it go. We gotta let it go. We gotta let it go, guys.
They storm chasers. They storm chasers.
Do it, turn it, do it, do it, do it.
Woo!
Oh, boy.
I can't be no storm chaser. What the fuck is that? Is that ice? I got one of them before you. They fun. You riding in a storm? Yeah, you're geeking. Oh, that snow. Wait, watch out, baby. You see that fast ass train? That train gonna run through that snow. Whoa, he slide, he slide.
Holy shit.
Yeah, that ain't nobody fault.
God.
Yeah, that ain't nobody fault, bro. He just slid. Damn! Y'all better chill, dummy, because if y'all really fly with that motherfucking rail, that's a wrap. Y'all need to get your ass in the house. Hell no. Baby girl in the red like she hanging off for dead life. Big ass bees. What all them things? Why they following us? Man, fuck all that rail shit. I'm taking that bitch down the hill like GTA one time. Fuck you. I'm not ready to keep getting this. I'm taking that bitch down the hill. Damn. Oh, y'all cars, fuck. Damn, 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 damn. Boy, I'm happy as shit if I park. I'm happy as shit if I park right here, bro. I'll be happy as shit. That white one can still get out though. That white one good. You just gotta dust it off a little bit. I need them. I'm gonna say I need them. I'm gone. That's all I need, man. We need these marshmallows. Come on, we gone. That's all we needed.
Don't worry, we have 2 packs.
That's all we needed. What is it like shooting up? Niggas they mix water style with wind style for that shit. They on some Naruto shit. Hey man, that's gonna do it for People vs. Nature Fails, man. Make sure to see down in the comments below. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Hope y'all enjoyed the vibe, man. Peace.